All right, ladies and gentlemen, you see this Rube Goldberg of the lawn irrigation actuating valves and that 3/4 inch main coming in, going up. Well, we got to install. Oh, pressure vacuum breaker flipped. Oh, almost nailed it. We got to install this right there. Let's see if we make this happen. All right, I'm not flipping it when it's not in the box, just so you know. It's gonna fit there perfectly, by the way. Like perfect. It's got a male adapter and a street 90 there. Oh, if that was a little bit lower, I'd be able to not even use a coupling. Damn, I'm good. You know what's crazy is that people really thought that I was not gonna clean the pipe. I was gonna leave it that way. Watch this. That's it. Oh, real shitty water pressure. If that's the case, let me deburr the pipe. Look, I even deburred the pipe. You happy now, folks? Yeah, I'm special. Special needs. Not too shabby. All right. Sounds like it's on. And for all those who thought I was done leaving it the way it is, you're wrong. Got a piece of strut there and a 3/4 inch strut clamp on the copper pipe. That baby ain't going anywhere anytime soon. If you live in the Long Island metropolitan area and you need a backflow prevention device to comply with local code for your irrigation system, give us a call, 516-348-6300. Same day services available, also for testing. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.